Namaste viewers and welcome to Radio Football. As today we are going to talk about the Bayern Munich versus Olympique Lyon match that took place on Wednesday night in Lisbon. Here are the lineups from both the teams, with Bayern Munich manager Hansi Flick surprisingly going for the same 11 which played against Barcelona, while many people thought that they might see Joshua Kimmich in midfield with Benjamin Pavard coming in as a right back, but Flick decided to field the same 11. On the other hand, Olympique Lyon coach Rudi Garcia also featured the same lineup which played against Manchester City, surprising those who thought that they might see Moussa Dembele start after his heroics against Manchester City gave Lyon a place in the semi-final. Bayern's lineup consisted of a 4-2-3-1 formation with Serge Gnabry, Ivan Perisic and Thomas Muller behind the record-chasing target man Robert Lewandowski. Lyon played with a 5-3-2 formation with fullbacks Maxwell Cornet and Leo Dubois expected to attack from both wings. The organized midfield consisted of Houssem Aouar, Maxence Caqueret and Bruno Guimaraes, with a front two of Memphis Depay and Karl Toko Ekambi. Bayern were again clear favourites heading into this one, having destroyed Barcelona 8-2 against giant killers Lyon, who had eliminated Juventus and Manchester City on their way to the semis. A win in this tie will book a place in the final against PSG, who brushed aside RB Leipzig 3-0 for one of the teams playing. Bayern number 9, Robert Lewandowski, who has scored in every Champions League game this season, was looking to extend his run and add more to his mind-blowing tally of 14 goals in 8 matches. Lyon started the match with an attacking mindset, creating various chances for themselves, but could not capitalize on any of them as they mostly kept the ball in Bayern's half in the first 15 minutes. Bayern Munich's organized backline allowed them to keep the score 0-0 by calmly playing out from the back. But minutes later, an exquisite left-footed finish after a fabulous mazy run from Serge Gnabry made the score 1-0 for Bayern. After the goal, Bayern started taking control of the game with more smoothness in their game. Bayern Munich knew that they will not be allowed much space in the middle of the park by Lyon's defense, that they could make short passes. So Thiago acted as a fulcrum to Bayern's attacks and provided accurate long balls to either flanks. This strategy helped Bayern Munich as they were able to construct multiple attacks, and they were rewarded as Serge Gnabry tucked the ball into the net at the end of a brilliant move from the Bavarians in the 33rd minute. At half-time, Bayern Munich were leading 2-0 and were maintaining a massive 65% of the possession. Lyon fans were hopeful of a new mentality in the second half from the French side, which could inspire a comeback. When the second half started, Lyon fans were furious to see Moussa Dembele not coming onto the pitch from the bench, as he is a potential threat for Bayern Munich at the moment. Lyon started the second half well, trying to maintain possession and attack more, but they succumbed to Bayern's high pressing game. Finally, in the 57th minute, Rudi Garcia brought Moussa Dembele onto the pitch, replacing Memphis Depay in substitution, which definitely made Lyon fans happy, but many thought that it was perhaps too late. Moussa Dembele showed flashes of brilliance and evidently improved Lyon's energy levels, but their number of attempts were still a measly 8 compared to Bayern's 16. Time was running out for Robert Lewandowski, who had missed some good chances to extend his goal-scoring run, but he grabbed a late opportunity when Joshua Kimmich floated the ball into the box from a free kick as Lewandowski delivered a thumping header to make the score 3-0. That is the final score. What does this mean for both the teams? For Lyon, they had a good run reaching the semis for the first time since 2010, but they have themselves to blame here, as some mistakes like missing 3 early opportunities and not starting with Moussa Dembele has cost them dear. Bayern Munich, they will go into the final against PSG with confidence, but they also showed signs of vulnerability at defense, which PSG might exploit. That's all for today, guys. If you liked my analysis of the match, please like the video and feel free to use the comment section for telling your views of the match. Click the subscribe button for more of this and follow my Instagram page Radio Football for more football facts and news. I will return with another match's analysis soon. Until then, this is Shikhar from Radio Football signing off.